Now, does your child know that minus and the minus make a plus, or that y equals mx plus c? But also, what exactly does that mean? And can they confidently switch between fractions, percentages, and decimals? Can they really, truly, confidently do that? There are several maths mistakes that GCSE Science students make, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about one of them. Now, does your child know that minus and the minus make a plus, or that y equals mx plus c? But also, what exactly does that mean? And can they confidently switch between fractions, percentages, and decimals? Can they really, truly, confidently do that? Now, these are just small amount of the basic knowledge that students at KS3 and GCSE needs to know, but many of our students don't know. Why is it a problem? Why is it a problem if students don't know the foundations, the basics, if they don't know the fundamentals? Well, let's compare maths to a skyscraper. If we wanted to build a strong, solid, and stable skyscraper, we're going to need to do that by building the foundation. So we're going to lay the foundations brick by brick, floor by floor. Now, if the foundations wasn't there, or they were a little bit shaky, then of course what's going to happen to that skyscraper is it's going to crumble. Now, this is what happens with our maths students. So maths is built precept upon precept, brick by brick. So if students' foundations are weak, if they have poor foundations, they wouldn't be able to understand more complex maths questions, and they will not be able to apply their knowledge. And the higher up they go in secondary school, that skyscraper is going to become more unstable because those foundations are just not strong enough to withstand more, right? So this is one of the core problems why even when students are at higher level, they're still struggling because they really didn't understand those foundations very well in the first place. And so what students need to do is they need to learn the basics. They need to have a good grounding of the foundations so that they can be able to apply their knowledge, and so that they can find it easier to deal with more complex topics. So in this video, I've talked about one of the key 5 mistakes that GCSE Science students make that hinder them from reaching their potential and getting those top grades. But there are 4 other mistakes, and you're going to want to know this. If you're a parent, your child is going to want to know those 4 mistakes so that they don't make the same mistakes. And so I have created a course for you with those top 5 mistakes, and I'm gonna make sure to put that in the video down below so that you can access it. So access those course so that you don't make the same mistakes if you're a parent, to ensure that your child doesn't make the same mistakes. All right, I'll see you in the next video.